Alright, here we go. So we haven't had much to do, so I think we're gonna go check out some shops. First is Michael's. I forgot, it's almost October, and it's ready for Halloween. Look at this. Roasting marshmallows, but I think he got a little too close to the fire. What do you think? I didn't get his marshmallow. Oh. I don't know. Maybe it's covering his naughty parts. This is only $249. Hi, how you doing? Oh, I love these things.
It's a ghost town.
Oh, look at that.
I think there's supposed to be something on the thing, but it's a ghost town right now.
Oh, it's a little broken, but I think there's supposed to be pumpkins in there. But look at this. Oh, look at that. It's like from Little Shop of Horrors. Oh, it's the Garden of Eden. Get it? So cool. The train's not moving. How do you move the train? Alright, hang on, I'm coming. What's inside? Oh, that's just the guts. Watch out for the snake.
Hey.
Oh.
You have a picture of him.
Oh yeah. 3 years ago.
Look. Look, babe, look at his head.
What?
I need candy to focus.
You definitely need that.
Like that.
Home
Come
sweet.
in, my pretty-
Hey, we have a ghost in our house, so this would be perfect.
There we go. Shut up. What's up?
Look at these.
I think we need a buggy.
Bone powder. Bat wings. Black cat's hiss. And it's authentic. It's my favorite. Dried witch's warts.
Ew.
Wonder what that gets rid of.
Not words.
Quit your witching. It's for you, baby.
You can't help it.
Oh,
There's idiots out there.
they got bat tonic. They got ghost tears.
There goes your
And
buggy.
this is upside down. So
Oh, no.
I think, but it's only bats can read it.
That way.
It's 100% pure bat wings. Okay.
Well, we'll see about that.
Oh, look at that. That would be cool.
Yeah.
Not quite. I think it's a mermaid. Maybe. Merman. Hard to tell. Oh. It's good dog. Good dog. Oh, this is the cat. What is that? Oh Lord! Look at that. Ugh. Looks real.
Do these light up?
Man, what is it with this cricket thing? Look at this, it's everywhere. Like, it's nuts. Look at all this.
This is a glossy.
What are these things called?
Vinyl.
Vinyls? Good Lord, look at all of them.
Yeah, there's a bunch of them. It's a lot.
Well, I don't know if that's really friendly, but we're actually going into the Halloween store. So it used to be an old Toys R Us.
You can tell it's a little rinky dink.
Yeah. What was his name? Jeremy? Jeremy? Old. Oh, wow. Oh, my. Oh my gosh, this would be amazing. You put that in the front yard. Oh, oh. Lost his head. Oh! Let's Oh, you did? Alright, step here. Nothing. Nothing.
Why is it not working? Right here. Right here, baby.
Wait. That's scary.
That's pretty scary.
Let me try. Okay.
It just did it for me. It literally just did it.
Nothing. Oh well. Oh. Alright, let's try this guy.
You there!
Oh.
Do you want to play a game? If I catch you, then I get to eat you.
Oh Lord. What does he do?
Gotcha!
Oh,
I missed. Well, I'll just have to catch the next one then.
Ready? Alright, doing it. What's he doing? So he's just wrapped in a cocoon. Yeah. This might just be like... Oh, he just makes a lot of zombie noises. Oh, you can step inside there.
No.
Okay, let's see what happens. Nothing? Oh. This is kind of cool though.
I don't know. I don't want
Oh.
that.
Some Ouija board pot holders. Oh. What's this back here? Oh, that's a Ouija towel.
Just touch to activate.
There you go. Those are cool. Oh wow. Can you hear it? What's he do? It says press. Nothing. I'm going in the Spirit Aquarium.
$5.
Ready? Oh. 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 Okay. I don't see anything. Piranha? Maybe? Oh! Hello. Oh. What is this? Oh, there he is. There he is. What's he doing? I see his tail. These would be cool. Indoor and outdoor. You put these in the bushes. Scare the crap out of some people, huh? Is that a pumpkin gun? What is it? Oh, it's Fortnite. Pumpkin launcher. Oh. Fortnite beef boss mask. Ah! Now those are creepy. I'm sorry. That would be creepy. Scarecrow. Oh, check this out. Step here. Oh! Okay. Oh, he's electrocuted. Ah, he keeps hitting me with that cord. Oh, ow. Okay. That's violent. Stop. Okay, this is gonna be creepy. Oh, please do something. Ah, dang it. That would have been good. Oh. You want to try it? Maybe I'm too heavy. Okay, how about this one? No, they were working. Are they turning colors? No? Oh. Oh my.
Can you help us find it?
Promise we will give you some new memories you will never. You look like a natural for our freak show. If you need a job, I'll introduce you to the boss, but all applicants must be dead.
Am I doing it right?
That's not a problem, is it?
No. He's done. This guy was working. Well, there we go. That's a little dramatic, don't you think? Oh. Giant Melania head. It's cool. Look at these spooky coffee cups. Ooh. Jason. Ooh. Chucky. Ooh.
Be careful, don't you?
Dwight Schrute. Ooh. Oh, here we go. That was not how I remembered Toys R Us. I guess it's changed.
Yeah.
Oh well.
It's not kid friendly.
Yeah. Things change. Time goes on.
Yeah.
Alright. On to the next adventure.
Yep.
Bye!